I'm perfectly okay now. I didn't feel any pain because it was, he carried out everything, all the procedures, but no injectable anesthesia was used, but I had no pain. I'm Sarojit Sen. I'm actually a power professional in the industry of power generation. I live in the UK, but I visit India very often because I have my business interest here. So on this visit, I suffered a tooth fracture of the molar tooth fracture. It started off with pain, quite severe pain. So I was about to travel somewhere. So I came and saw him, and he initially did certain checks and then treated me for the pain and asked me to come back. And that's when all the treatment started. But unfortunately, the tooth has become weak. So there was an infection at the back end, which we ultimately cured, but that tooth was weak. So in one of my wherever I was eating, something hard came in the way, and there was the crack. And that crack is what I thought the tooth would be taken out, but he saved it for me. And it was quite serious. So I came across and found out Dr. Anirban Sengupta and visited him for consultation, and he was extremely helpful and explained everything to me, and he was so confident. He confidently said that I can save your tooth and do certain treatment. I didn't feel any pain because it was, he carried out everything, all the procedures, but no injectable anesthesia was used, but I had no pain. And we went through the total treatment and x-rays and everything to find out the root causes. And apart from the fracture in the location, there was a gum problem, gum infection, and a pathology. So all this was taken care of, and we ended up with eventually a gum like that, and it took care of that. Was the original position with the fracture. And after the treatment, he saved that tooth, and the adjoining one with the crack got extended and cured my gum issues. So I'm perfectly okay now, and we'll take care, and he said he'll take care of other things as well.